Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines. Today, we will be looking at the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub, which boasts a larger capacity and additional features, and the Nixod Portable Washing Machine, known for its affordability and portability. We'll dive into their specifications, pros and cons, and see which one stands out for your laundry needs. When it comes to washing capacity, the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub offers a significant advantage with its 20 pounds washing capacity and 12 pounds spinning capacity. This makes it ideal for larger loads, especially for families or those with more laundry to handle. In contrast, the Nixod Portable Washing Machine has a capacity of 15 liters, which is suitable for smaller loads, making it a better choice for individuals or those living in smaller spaces. Portability is another crucial factor to consider. The Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub, while offering larger capacities, is bulkier and heavier, making it less portable. On the other hand, the Nixod Portable Washing Machine is designed for easy transport with its lightweight and folding design, making it perfect for dorms, apartments, and travel. Finally, let's talk about price. The Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub comes at a premium price of $199, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features like a drying rack. In contrast, the Nixod Portable Washing Machine is much more budget-friendly at just $78, making it an attractive option for those looking to save money without sacrificing essential washing capabilities. In conclusion, both washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub is ideal for those who need a larger capacity and additional features, while the Nixod Portable Washing Machine is perfect for those prioritizing portability and affordability. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.